Om Shanti. Just for a minute, disconnect yourself from everything around you. Consider yourself separate from the physical world. Realize that the whole world is a stage. Everyone has their own character, and my character is a hero character. I am playing the role of a hero, in which there is always positivity. There is no bad feeling towards anyone. I accept every person as they are because everyone has got his own role. Everyone is doing duty according to their role. I also understand that as one does, so shall he receive. Therefore, I focus my entire attention only on my karma. I always think positive for everyone. Everything is right in its place. Every task is easy for me. As an actor, I am successfully playing my role on the stage. I am the hero of this drama. Om Shanti.